Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. I thank you so much for joining me today. I just wanted to give you a tip while this balloon garland was still in good shape and while I still had this set up. I wanted to give you a tip about the balloon garland. I'm gonna take the camera in and let you see this backdrop a little bit closer, but in the last video I did a review of a balloon kit. It's the next day and it's still holding up very nicely, and I will leave a link in the description below. Also, I will put links for everything that you see in this setup, so that if you wanted to do this idea, you will have the links. Okay, so I'm about to take the camera in and I'm gonna just share with you this tip. So first I want to just give you a close-up of this balloon garland. And I want you to look at the gold and look at the white, and then I want you to kind of look at the green. Now, does the white and gold do something more for your eyes? If it does, I want you to comment below. But I want to give you this tip, and this tip is make sure you include 5-inch balloons in your balloon garland. So if you take a look at all the professional people, one thing you will notice is that they all have 5-inch balloons. Now, could I have used larger balloons? Yes, I do have like 2 8-inch, but this is from a kit. So one of my suggestions for this kit was to that they include 5-inch balloons. I just think the gold and the white just really look so beautiful. But then the green, I tried to blow the 10-inch a little bit smaller, and had I had 5-inch, I think it just would have looked a lot better. The green would have looked a lot better. So also you want to make sure you design your balloon garland with multiple sizes. I would say at least 3 sizes. But most importantly, after you put the base of your balloon garland together, go ahead and add those 5-inch balloons in, and I promise you it's gonna really make your design pop. So that is my tip for today. Make sure you use 5-inch balloons in your balloon garland design. Okay, I thank you so much for joining me. Until I see you next time, bye.